What's going on, guys? XSR Detroit here with a follow-up video on the Motech Sysbag15 Saddlebags. Earlier in the year I did a video on the installation of the SLC side carriers on my XSR 900, but today we're just going to talk about the saddlebags. The Sysbag15 comes in at 15 liters. Definitely not the biggest bags, but better than what I had, which was just dry bags that I would strap to my bike. They're semi-rigid, so they do hold their shape, but you can stretch them out a little bit, which is really nice. There are two straps on the sides for adjustment. If you need to tighten stuff up or loosen it up, you're good to go. To open the bag itself, we have the strap up front. You simply loosen that, slide that. And in this top portion, we have a zippered section. I keep the shoulder straps in there just in case I have to carry the bag with me. Makes it really easy. These bags are very easy to carry. It's a dry bag style up top. So you unclip it, roll it out, and inside we have this gray separate layer. You can actually remove this if you want. It's to add waterproofing to the bag itself. I will be doing a waterproofing test later in the video. We'll get to that at some point. But I think this is really cool because when it comes to motorcycle luggage, if it's not waterproof, I don't really see the point in it. I don't want to have to think while I'm riding in the rain, is my stuff getting wet? I just simply want it to be waterproof, which is definitely great with this bag. There's a good amount of versatility in mounting these bags. Right now I have the back plate on the bag and it's set up for the SLC mount. I believe it's also compatible with the Pro as well. You would probably just have to change the mounting points, or you could just remove this backing entirely and use it as a tail bag. As far as real-world application, these bags have been awesome. I bought them primarily for the big motorcycle camping trips that I do. My XSR 900 is my street bike, but it's also my touring bike. So, I mean, sure, with any naked bike, you're just gonna be fighting for space. So I wanted more, and it's got some benefits to it too. Now that I have this solid mounted saddlebags, I can put my bigger dry bags and kind of anchor them onto these bags, which is great. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to do a motorcycle camping trip with them, but I think they'd be completely fine. They hold my entire sleep setup, which is a hammock, so a bit smaller than a tent, but still, and especially with soft stuff, you can really pack these bags in. When I bought these, I figured they wouldn't be on the bike most of the time, but I keep them on the bike pretty much all the time now. It's just so convenient. I don't like riding with a backpack on. It just aggravates my shoulder for some reason. So I keep these on the bike all the time. For day-to-day stuff, it's great. If I have to run to the grocery store or do some errands, it's so convenient to, you know, put my stuff in the saddlebags and not have to really worry about it. It's great for me as a moto vlogger. I can put a ton of camera equipment or my small tripod, and I usually have plenty of space to spare. Earlier in the video, I mentioned that these bags have a waterproof layer. I think I've only ridden in the rain with these bags like maybe once or twice, and it wasn't that serious. All of my stuff was completely dry, which is great. But I think what we're gonna do is take the bag out to the backyard, hose it down, and see exactly how waterproof these bags are. All right, let's take a look in the bag and see if everything is dry on the inside. A little wet on the top portion, but that's not getting into the bag itself. Roll that. And we're looking pretty dry in here. A little bit of water on the top, but not anything else, and that might have just been from the seam, so I don't think that was actually getting into the bag. So pretty waterproof. I mean, I really hosed this thing down. Pretty extreme test. That would be like if you were in the rain for quite a while, but that's the whole point of these bags, is we got to test the whole thing. It's for everyday situations, and getting stuck in the rain is definitely one of them. So overall, pretty happy with the waterproofing. Overall, I'm really happy with the Sysbag 15s. They look cool. They have enough storage for the day-to-day, but they also add quite a bit for the longer trips, which is definitely something that was important to me. My only complaint with these is that to remove them, you simply push a button and lift off. There's no locking mechanism, so anyone can take these bags off the bike, and there's no locking mechanism for the bags themselves. So I would just say, if you're going into the store or you're going in somewhere and you're that worried about it, I would just bring the bags with you or bring your valuables. Somebody could swipe these bags very easily, and they aren't cheap, so that's something to keep in mind. Mostly for the day-to-day stuff, I only bring one saddlebag with me. So they do come with shoulder straps. They come with other straps to add luggage on top, which is really cool. So I put the shoulder strap on and just kind of go about my day. It's a very masculine man purse, I have to say. It looks really, really cool walking around with it. But you know, adding luggage to super nakeds isn't like the easiest thing. It's hard to find a bag that looks good but is also practical. But I think that's exactly what these bags are. Definitely recommend them. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please consider subscribing. And as always, ride fast, ride naked, wear your helmet, and I'll see you in the next video.